With this new Navara, we have integrated new technologies to create a safer, more dynamic, and more comfortable driving experience. Here are just a few. Intelligent forward collision warning, which monitors two vehicles ahead as well as the vehicle directly in front to reduce the risk of multi-car accidents. Intelligent emergency braking, which is designed to brake to avoid collisions and reduce the stress of driving in heavy traffic or on busy streets. Intelligent around view monitor helps drivers see people and obstacles around the vehicle. This enables easier maneuvering when parking and positioning of the vehicle during trailer hitching. For the first time, the vehicle also features an off-road monitor, which at low speeds in four-wheel drive helps to check for obstacles around the vehicle. In addition to driving performance, comfort, and safety, our customers want more connectivity. Our latest Nissan Connect system enables use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making sure that when you are in the vehicle, you're not left out of the loop. These technologies and more make the new Navara the most advanced ever. What that means is more convenience, more peace of mind, and importantly, more enjoyment. As a symbol of movement and capability, our Nissan pickups have proven to be a reliable partner in supporting our customers in many facets of their lives. We have maintained the toughness that enables carrying heavy loads and getting through extreme terrain, but we have made it even more capable and practical. We strengthened the rear axle, increased payload capacity, and added a new rear bumper with a step for easier access to the truck bed. For enhanced maneuverability at low speeds and steering response across the speed range, we adopted a new steering rack. But capability is just a part of this model's appeal. People are often genuinely surprised when they find it's also a joy to drive. It is nimble and agile, and thanks to the noise isolation and acoustic laminated glass, it offers a quieter and more comfortable ride.
Our designers are really passionate about this project. With the new Navara, this type of creative discovery have led us to a bold new design with lots of character. While our highest grade looks tough and premium, we've also added the all-new Pro-4X grade with colors and unique accents that we're very excited about. First, let's start with the proportions. The hood is taller and stronger, emphasizing the powerful center hood volume. It is highlighted by our new interlock grille. The movement of the grille signifies a frame holding an engine block, conveying a sense of power and strength with the chiseled shapes. It's a natural evolution of our Nissan truck grille, but with a new twist. We're also very proud of the new LED headlamp design. The outline has an energetic gesture, while each of the 4 distinctive projector units have their own intricate bezel shape. Our tech expression and attention to detail are apparent here. Finally, the lamps are framed by our iconic C-shaped LED signatures. The overall impression is distinctively Nissan, even from a distance. The bold, sculpted shapes of the front bumper and LED fog lamps round up the front end for a powerful presence. As we move to the side, we see the taller hood and bed, giving the new Navara an even more robust silhouette. The new alloy wheels have a sharp, precise expression with new finishes. Combined with the ground clearance, the new side view looks strong yet agile, communicating its true go-anywhere intention. The robust silhouette continues to the rear, where we find a new tailgate and tail lamp designs. The iconic C-shaped lighting signatures echo those of the front, giving a consistent look throughout the truck. The Pro-4X takes the design up another notch, with a lively, lava orange accent contrasted by the dark grille, wheels, and mirror caps. These accents are found on the tow hook covers, the fenders, and even on the Nissan badge. Plus, we have a new, fresh and athletic body color. It's a metallic gray, but with a unique, solid impression that gives the body a robust and energetic appearance. It's my personal favorite that works great with the Pro 4X.